in a second here and show you how the website works. As you can see, it takes a second to load. And then the client's website is linksstyle93.com. So we're gonna log into WordPress now. And as you can see, this is just a dashboard for managing the website. I don't want to go into a whole in-depth about WordPress because there's lots of tutorials out there, but I will go over what we changed in our website. So first I'm going to start with the plugins. We've added plugins to disable the toolbar and also to disable the dashboard for subscriber users. Those are the most basic, lowest level type of users, and if anyone that signs up for our website through the front end will be set as a subscriber. We also have a plugin to disable comments, so you have to log in to comment. And then comments themselves have to be approved. We set that so that comments have to be approved by somebody higher than the subscriber role, possibly an admin. This will help the website stay clean, and this also gives the client the ability to view and edit comments and delete comments she doesn't like. And this is just showing the different users. So as you see, we have users in the subscriber role. We also use this to test. So we would make users and then log in to see how the website looks. That was the extent of our testing there. And obviously we checked how the website looked and tested code. You are able to have people higher than subscribers, but for our website it's not needed. And here's where you can change the theme of the website. So we chose a basic theme for our website. This is the basic theme for our website, but we have edited this theme here. So if you want additional control, you have to edit the CSS of the website, which is what I'm showing here. So you can rearrange the menus, but you can also hard code and change the CSS of the website itself. Yeah, as you can see here. The database is also available. We don't show it in the video, and I don't think the client will get into this that much, but a view of the database is also available. Now I'm going to log out here and show you linkstyle.com. So this is what users see when they go to this website. The landing page for our client describes her story and her struggle with her appearance and her overcoming that. The advice section of the website is where users can post advice, and she can comment on that. They can post. And then the blog section is where the client can post, and then people can comment. And then our last page is our inspiration page, which I'll show in a second. This page is where users can post inspiration, but commenting is not allowed. So even though it says leave a comment, that will be stripped out. And then there's the login page here, where you can log in. And her social media websites are also linked. So this is her Instagram here. Next, we'll be transitioning to the document and training section of the video. That's it for this section.
So for this section of the video, we're going to be covering the topic of documentation and training. So here we have the documentation for the Linkstyle webpage. Here you can see that there are step-for-step instructions for logging in and registering and recovering lost passwords for the Linkstyle website. And as you scroll down, you can see there are other step-for-step instructions on how to add a photo, remove photo galleries, edit posts, change posts, respond to posts, and things like that. And as you scroll down to the last page of the documentation, you can see that there are list of the pages for the Links Out website. So each description gives you a general overview of what that page is going to be about. It can get a little confusing towards the inspiration, blog, and advice page. So these are just used just in case the admin ever gets confused on what the page is about. As for agile development, these two steps for documentation and training are important because it can be used to reference or make changes to the website just in case the web developer isn't there, or if the client needs something to help them get through a tricky situation really quick. So for this section of the video, we're going to be talking about implementation. So the first thing you would have to do is log on to Bluehost and then go into the admin mode where you can edit. Since already logged in, you don't need to see all that logging in. So since this website uses WordPress, there isn't much code that needed to be used. But what we do have are the plugins that were installed to make this website more dynamic. So as you can see here, there's different plugins for different things that make the website run. So here we have the disable comments, toolbars, email templates, Instagram feeds, and themes and other stuff like that. So here you can see that there are some updates that need to be done. You can run these for version control purposes. So for agile development, you would need to keep things up to date. So this is just a way to keep up with version control.